Said like halfway up.
Okay.
You should pop her from the. You should pop her to the thingy and then run back.
That's too late. What's up, man?
What's up? What we doing?
Okay. This is my video to say something mean about myself and something nice about you. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. I am the business, man. I am cool. I am tight, just like Mikey and Alex. And Tram is gay, real gay. A foser, a loser, a fool. And she's whack. Tricks on you, but I do gotta say, happy birthday. Start it off, Maki. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Tram. Happy birthday, dear Tram. Happy birthday to you.
1/27/09.
Day 27, baby.
Oh my
Crazy
God.
ass date.
Day
I
27.
keep seeing that everywhere, man.
That's a crazy
I keep
ass
seeing
date.
that everywhere. Oh, Dorothy, no! No! Oh!
Yeah. So,
My dude hit me. My dude.
Finish it. Oh, take your time.
official. Let's go.
Damn, this is like, our tripod is the trash can, man. It's like dirty.
What in the front?
About to get buck, Nate. We gonna get off?
We gonna get off.
We gonna get off.
Yeah.
Let's go, Nate.
Alright, happy birthday, Tram.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Huh?
Happy 17th birthday.
Happy 17th birthday. My
17th
name-
birthday.
my name
Have a
Alex.
good one.
My name's Ben Tran. Nice to meet you.
Michael. Michael Lee. That's how I roll.
Okay. Bye bye. Get out. Now you have to reply with the video. Yeah.